In this short tutorial, you will learn how to download videos from Telegram. Telegram is a popular messaging app where people share videos and files. Sometimes, you may want to save a video for offline viewing or share it with friends. Luckily, downloading videos from Telegram is easy and quick. First things first, open up the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in the app, look for the three horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on those lines to open up a menu. From this menu, select Settings. Now that you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Data and Storage. Tap on it. Next, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a section called Save to Gallery. Here, you'll see three different options related to where your videos come from: private chats, groups, and channels. To enable saving videos from these sources, toggle on the switch next to each option. This ensures that any video received in these chats can be saved directly to your gallery. Next up is tweaking some individual settings for maximum video sizes. Let's start with private chats. Here, move the slider all the way to the right. This sets your maximum video size limit to 4 GB. Once that's done, go back. Now repeat this process for groups. Again, set that maximum size limit as 4 GB. Finally, do the same for channels by tapping there and adjusting accordingly. With all settings adjusted properly, head over to any chat where there's a video you want to download. Scroll through until you find that desired clip. When you've found your video, tap on those three little dots located at the top right corner of it. A menu will pop up. Select Save to Gallery. Just like that, the specific video will begin downloading straight into your device's gallery. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to download videos from Telegram with just a few simple steps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.